In today's video, I'm going to teach you the complete guide on how to use Calendly in 2025. Calendly is a powerful tool for scheduling meetings and events without the back and forth emails. Whether you're new to Calendly or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to calendly.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Calendly offers a straightforward sign-up process. You can choose to register using your Google or Microsoft accounts or simply with your email address. Using one of your existing accounts might save you some time and streamline the integration processes later on. Once you're signed up, the next step is to connect your calendar. Calendly can sync with major calendar platforms like Google Calendar, Outlook, iCloud, and Office 365. This synchronization is crucial as it allows Calendly to automatically check your availability and prevent double booking. So when prompted, make sure to grant Calendly the necessary permissions to access your calendar. This step is crucial for the seamless functioning of the tool. Now that you're set up, it's time to personalize your profile. Head over to the profile section under personal settings. Here, it's important to fill in your details. Start by adding your name, perhaps a professional photograph, and customize your availability settings. Don't forget to personalize your Calendly URL so it's easy for others to access. Click on Save Changes after updating these details to ensure nothing is lost. Now, it's time to create an event type. This is where you define the kinds of meetings people can schedule with you. Go to the event type section wherein you can either set up a new event or modify an existing one. Calendly allows setting up diverse formats like one-on-one, group, or even collective meetings for multiple team members. Within this section, you can also enter the specifics of each event, such as the event name and description, duration, and location, whether it's a physical place or a virtual link. Next, it's crucial to define your availability for these meetings. You have control over which days and times you're available, and you can make this consistent every week or adjust it for different periods. Don't overlook the notifications. Head to the notification section to customize reminders and follow-ups. These can be sent via email or SMS, helping both you and your attendees stay organized and prepared. Finally, share your Calendly link with others. This is typically done via email, a website, or even social media. Just copy your personalized URL and send it to anyone who needs to schedule time with you. For a truly seamless experience, consider integrating Calendly with other tools you use, like Zoom or Slack, for automatic links and updates. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll not only have Calendly set up, but also optimized for your scheduling needs. Feel free to explore any additional features Calendly might offer to enhance your scheduling experience. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling!